Okay, go ahead. What's the balloon say?
Happy.
Happy face? No words?
And some flowers.
Some flowers? You need some help getting it out?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Oh, wow. Do you remember you had those before?
Yeah.
Do you remember what they're called?
Flowers.
Flowers. Do you remember what kind of flowers? Who's that? It's the same bear. You have a matching bear now.
Yeah.
Who do you think sent that to you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
A pool.
I have a pretty good guess. I know who.
What?
It's a Gerber daisy, remember? We have to read that to tell us how to take care of it better than the before. Do you see a card? Was there a card in there?
No.
Okay, let's look on the package. It doesn't say the package. Oh, look, here it is. The card's on the package. You see that box?
Yeah.
See that right there?
Mommy, I told him how. Yes, Mama.
Open this up. Let's see who sent you these pretty flowers so you can say thank you. Careful. See it? Oh, who does that say at the bottom? Aunt Teresa.
Teresa.
Yeah.
Teresa.
Garrett, hope you're feeling better and can enjoy the new bear and balloon. Mom says you did a great job watering the other plant. I couldn't resist sending you this one too. Big hug. Keep smiling. I love you, Aunt Teresa.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.